Someone who understands me and know me inside out, helps me keep together, believes without a doubt that I can move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I want it to be you. Sa ating buhay, hindi lang ang ating kapamilya, hindi lang ating mga kadugo, palagi tayong may nakikilala na mga tao na nagiging bahagi ng ating buhay. Sila ang ating mga matatalik mga kaibigan. They are our best friends. So for now, kaibigan, mayroon akong katanungan sa iyo.